Meltio is a wire-based directed energy deposition technology. However, you may probably ask, why do we use wire? Let's break it down. It's environmentally friendly and easy to store, no need for airtight cabinets like with powder. Most importantly, it's safe, reliable, and requires minimal training for operators. At the heart of Meltio's wire-based process is our multi-laser blue deposition head. It enables single-step production of metallic multi-materials. It supports up to 4 filaments. No need for complex post-processing. It offers complete design freedom for customized manufacturing. Wire is cost-effective, reducing raw material waste, cutting production costs, and saving energy. It features pull-based feeding for precision and reduced wire friction. Here's how it all comes together. The wire leaves the spool and travels through a duct to the feeder. From the feeder, it moves through a carbon jacket, compatible with most materials. Next, it enters the filament guide, which can hold up to 4 filaments. Finally, the wire passes vertically through the nozzle to the welding point, creating precise and high-quality builds. That's why Meltio chooses wire and why it's the future of additive manufacturing.